Hi everyone, I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra with Empire Fine Homes. We are your go-to real estate agents, and today we are sharing essential tips for selling your home during the holiday season.
Life can be full of surprises. Whether it's downsizing, a new job, or just a change of scenery, selling your home over the holidays can be a unique opportunity.
While it's spring, it's known for real estate to hit up the holiday season as its own perk. Less inventory means your home stands out and buyers are more serious.
Tip number 1, stage for the holidays. Decorate, but keep it simple. Highlight your home's best features with tasteful ornaments in a cozy ambiance.
Use seasonal scents and a warm environment to make buyers feel at home. And consider professional stages for that perfect holiday touch.
Tip number 2, price it right. Work with your agent to set a competitive price based on the market trends and your home unique features.
Tip number 3, boost your curb appeal. Keep your lawn tidy and complement your neighborhood's festive look without going overboard.
Tip number 4, professional photos are a must. Capture your home's beauty before holiday decorations to avoid time stamping your listing.
Tip number 5, showcase winter charm. Highlight features like fireplaces and energy efficient upgrades. Make your home a cozy winter heaven.
Tip number 6, light it up. During dark winter days, a well-lit home feels warm and welcoming. Ensure all lights work and consider softer hues.
And finally, be flexible. Extend showing hours and be available on weekends. It's all about accommodating potential buyers' busy holiday schedules.
Selling your home during the holidays is all about attention to detail and strategic planning.
Create a warm environment atmosphere, use professional photography, and maintain safety during winter. This festive season can make your home stand out.
With the right approach, your home won't just be another listing. It will be the holiday gift that buyers are searching for.
Thanks for watching. For more tips and real estate advice, hit the subscribe button and follow us on our journey.
Happy holidays, and here's to a successful home sale.